Alright guys, so this video is just all about the 5 commands, and these 5 commands are very important. If you just master these 5 commands, it means that you know Git very well. And what exactly these 5 command does? Okay, so the basic function of these commands is to push your local code to your online repository. That's what these all 5 does. So now let's discuss it one by one. What does it mean? Okay, first of all, let me open a git bash, because here we will execute every command. These 5 commands basically. Alright. Okay, so here, first command is git init. Now what does it mean? It's just initialized a repository, a empty repository in your offline folder, in your folder. It means in our case, it will just initialize an empty git repository in this folder, because this is our project. Okay, so for timing, just keep in mind that git init, which is this command, what it does, it just creates an empty repository in your project file, in your project folder, sorry. That's all what it does. Okay, in other words, you can say that it is just giving a ticket to our offline folder that now you are eligible to be uploaded. You can say that in rough language, but it's not like that. Okay, all right. Now the next command is git add. Now what it does, it just adds the changes. All right, now let's make any changes. Okay, so now this is your project, right? Now whatever you are just changing here, now okay, it's right now demo text file which contains this text, which is this is the demo. Now let's say we are adding a new line. This is the new line maybe. All right, so right now we are just changing. All right, let's save that and cancel that, and okay, cancel it, and just go to the terminal. Now if we are just executing this command, then this is just adding a changes to the git. We are just telling, the user is telling, because it just doesn't add automatically. Whenever you just run the command, only then it will add the changes to the git. Now after running this command, whenever you enter this, in the background this command is telling to Git that user has requested to add these changes, kindly add them. That's all what it does. Alright, the next command is commit. Now what does commit? Commit is quite similar to add. Now add, what it did, it just does add the changes, but commit save the changes. All right, I hope you are just understanding the difference between them. Commit are just saving the changes, but add is just adding the changes. No worry, in the next video we will just do a practical, you will get more about that. Alright, the next command is remote command. Now what does it mean? Alright, right now we're just doing everything offline from git init to git commit, but right now we have to establish a connection between this online repository to our offline project. Now how we can make a connection? We can make a connection between online repository and our project with the help of git remote command. So now you have learned that git remote just makes a connection between your online repository and your offline project. Alright, the last command is, which is push. So its main work is to upload, to push your all files to that git repository, this repository. Alright, now again what it does, it just push all the content in your folder, I mean in your project, to the online repository. Okay, that's the main work of push. That's all for this video, and in the next video we will see these all commands in detail and practically. So don't miss the next video. Alright guys, so just don't need to afraid if you are not getting anything. Just don't need to afraid, because for the very first time I just also didn't get anything. So just don't need to worry. We will see you in the next video with the practical, and I will try to make that as simple as I can. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.